Parked under a tree on some gravel road. We decided we're going to grab some pancakes in Cullinan. Initially I thought let's just do some tar, feeling a bit hungry, haven't eaten anything. And then, you know, as the ride progressed I was like, yo, let's do a bit of gravel, why not? We're enjoying the gravel and I decided to look down at my dashboard and I can see a big red warning, tire pressure. Now I know I had 3 bar at the back and I had 2.6 in front, so I should not be getting such a warning. I decided to flip through and see what's going on. By the time I looked, the rear tire was down to 0.8. It's actually down to 0 now. Look at that. 2.6 front, 0 rear. Completely out of air. Yeah, so I think we've got a cut over here, in fact. So we don't have a compressor today, unfortunately. But what we do have is a tire puncture repair kit. Never used it before, so we're gonna learn on the job today. We do have a few CO2 bombs. If we successfully plug it, maybe we'll be able to inflate just enough air to get to town or something and be able to pump the tire. I think this is what we're going to use for the plug. And I think this is what we're going to use to make the hole pluggable. We've got worms, a rubber solution. So are we doing this, Squire?
Yes, sir. Our first lesson in
tire puncture repairs.
Tire puncture repairs.
You see, that's actually quite a big cut there. I mean, the way my tire pressure disappeared. So we'll let this sit for a bit and then we're gonna have to experiment with our bombs. Now we don't have a compressor like I said, but we do have some CO2 bombs. We've only got a finite amount of those.
There you go.
Oh, you push it. Looks like it's sealed. I don't see bubbles. All right, so we've deployed 1 CO2 bomb. That's given us 0.3 bar from 0. We've got 2 left. If we're lucky, we'll get to 1 bar. All right, so we've got 1 more to go. That's probably it. I mean, this is pretty soft. This is a good off-road pressure. From here on, we ride out. I have to monitor the tire pressure, simple as that. This is the final step. We've plugged, we've deployed 3 CO2 bombs for air. Here's a little razor. I hope this holds out, but I do have a bigger plug in case it doesn't. Just cut off the excess. And that's it. Okay, so here we are. We made it to the nearest gas station to pump up the tires, but I have to say, we deployed 4 bombs into the tire and it actually gave me about 1.6 bar from 0, from a flat tire. So we're looking at about 0.4 bar per bar. We managed to ride the gravel road, get onto the tar road. It stayed at 1.6 consistently, I didn't lose any pressure. Now we pumped it back up to 2.7. Hope this holds out. We're going to change these tires anyway during the course of the week for sunny parts.